if you wanna, ooh, what happened here? The foam just was flying away. If you wanna be professional and be a master at microneedling and know the most, please watch this video. I'm gonna be answering your microneedling / dermaroller questions. And meanwhile, I decided I'm gonna be getting ready for tonight. We're going out with my boyfriend, so I'm just gonna have makeup done. I actually haven't done. It's crazy. I haven't done makeup in probably a year, so I don't know, maybe some stuff is already gonna be expired. But and first question was, do you need to disinfect the dermaroller before you use it, even if you disinfected it after you use it last? So yes, every time before using dermaroller, I have this foam therapy product that is really nice. It's oxygen, it's made of oxygen, and it's so much more natural than alcohol, especially if you want to disinfect your skin. So what I do before microneedling, I wait until foam goes down, and then after microneedling, once you're done, because needles can have some residue from the skin, you do the same exact thing. Once this is dry, you rinse it off, and before next microneedling, you apply foam again. Let me start with something like I have to do this makeup as well. So I'm using oil that is gonna be released maybe by the end of this year or next year. I actually applied a little bit of sunscreen this morning because we went to farmer's market. But right now I'm gonna apply some oil. More information is gonna be later this year. Of course, it's really amazing. It's plumping, and my skin is very dry, especially right now when it's super dry outside. Next question, can you use it after you wax, or how long should I wait to use it? So after waxing, I will recommend you to wait at least 3 days. I always have a rule, 72 hour rule. So no harsh exfoliation, no waxing, no kind of doing any kind of harsh, anything that irritates skin, you don't want to do for 72 hours. No sun as well, because sun will cause hyperpigmentation if you actually go in the sun like next day. All right, I don't know if this is not expired because I haven't used it in a year, but maybe expired. Who knows? All right, next question. What is product best used after using roller? Use product prior. So I get this question very often. Before or after microneedling, should you apply a cream or serum or any product, and what kind of product? Guys, it really depends what you need for your skin. Every skin is different. If you have acne scars, you're gonna need different product. If you have wrinkles, you're gonna need different product. If you have hyperpigmentation, you're most likely gonna need another product. So I can't answer you this question if you don't specify what skin issue you have. And if you wanna have this question answered, I do have skin quiz. It's gonna be down below. You can take this skin quiz and you will have the answer. All right, how long does it take to see results? For men, really it takes, depends what you have. Do you have a deep fine lines? Do you have acne scars? Do you have just a little bit of pigmentation? It really depends. When I ask you these questions, please ask me like specifically. I do have wrinkles. I'm 57 years old. They are like, I don't know, not too deep, but also not too little. Be specific. I can't answer a question because microneedling is very specific. Take skincare quiz and you will have the answer for yourself. But I will say if it's on average, it really depends. You can see results next day. Depends if you need just a little bit plumpness, or if you have extremely deep acne scars, it will take a year. So you see, I can't answer that. Is Dermaroller for collagen induction therapy something you should do the rest of your life? Absolutely. So imagine you go to the gym, you wanna get fit and lose belly fat, and you go to the gym just like once or just 1 week or 1 month, and you expect to be fit and lose fat and don't go to gym for the rest of your life. I just don't know if this works actually. Can you still dermaroll if you started taking tretinoin? So yes, with tretinoin. So this is what you want to do, girls. Tretinoin depends on the strength, but I will say alternate. If you have 0.5 dermaroller, you can alternate once a week. Let's say Sunday you use dermaroller, and then Tuesday Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you use tretinoin. Kind of you want to space out like 1 day minimum, 1 day away from, what the heck is that? By the way guys, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't even know what I'm doing. I just want to look a little bit that I had makeup. I really don't wear makeup. I don't know when last time I wore makeup. I don't need makeup, and I kind of feel uncomfortable in makeup, and I think makeup makes me look older. But tonight we're going to the club. I'm 70 and using 0.25. It is okay to stick with this intensity, or should I increase it? Yes, if you've been using 0.25, it's okay for serum absorption, a little bit like kind of plumpness. But if you want to have like a really anti-aging effect that will reverse your aging, you want to go a little bit higher, 0.5 or even 0.75. When you graduate, quote unquote, from 0.5 to 75, do you continue using 0.5 and only use 75 every 3 weeks? Great question. Depends what you have. Again, depends what's your skin concern. Usually you can use 0.75 every 3 weeks, and in the middle every week 0.5. That's totally okay. Order my dermarollers today. Where, how to start? Ooh, I have a lot of dermarolling videos, guys. I'm gonna link down below beginner microneedling video, so you can watch the video. It's like also where to start. What's going on with your skin? Do you have rosacea? Do you have hyperpigmentation? Do you have wrinkles? Do you have acne scars? Do you have stretch marks? Do you have hair loss? Like what's going on? Because every person has to start with different size, you know, different products. Can you use Dermaroller with Botox? Why do you need to have Botox if you're using microneedling Dermaroller tools? Just tell me why. Because I do not have, I know I have wrinkles, I have fine lines, I have like everything going on, but why do you need Dermaroller if you do, why do you need Botox if you use Dermaroller? Another thing, if you are getting Botox, I'm not judging, you do whatever you want. If you're getting Botox, wait 2 weeks to start dermarolling. Just let the Botox settle in. I used to have Botox in the past. I'm not against that, or do whatever you want, but the more consistent I started being with my dermarolling, the less I noticed that I need Botox. Do you only moisturize after dermaroller? Doesn't matter. You can do before and you can do after. So use each level at least 2 months before moving to the next level of dermaroller. Yeah, I will say 2-3 months, stick with one size, and then you can move to another size. Minimum 2 months. What is the best type of serum to put directly after dermaroller session? Retinol? What's your skin concern? Wrinkles? Hyperpigmentation? Rosacea? What is your skin concern? I need to know what's your skin concern. Different skin conditions needs different serums. I've been using 1 millimeter on my scalp once a week. Isn't that too much? Absolutely, that is crazy too much. You might gonna have your hair falling off. This is what happens when you guys start doing microneedling without doing research. Once a month, 1 millimeter only once a month, no more often. Can we use it on the neck? Absolutely. I have a neck video. I'm gonna link down below. Used for 2 months, no results on hyperpigmentation. At least how long I should use. See, hyperpigmentation. She is smart, she put hyperpigmentation. Now take it off. Oh my god, guys, I haven't done makeup in really long time. I don't even know how to do makeup. I don't remember. I know I have to put those, so it's gonna look nicer. Probably I should, wherever. Guys, don't judge me. I really don't know how to do makeup. So here's the thing with the hyperpigmentation also can be from acne scarring, sun damage, freckles, melasma, aging spots. Like there's different pigmentation, like, you know, reasons. If it's like, most likely I will guess you're asking about acne scars, like dark spots or aging spots. I will say 0.5 for like 6 months. Here's the thing, people say, oh my god, Jen, I've been using for 2-3 months, I don't see results. Like, okay, so sometimes the same with the gym. Some people gonna take 2-3 months to see results in the gym to lose fat. Some people gonna need a year, right? So it depends. If your hyperpigmentation is really intense, you're probably gonna need a half year, maybe a year. Keep going, girl, because I do have clients that they had pigmentation, and then after of 1 year of using it, they started noticing results. What serums or creams do you use with the body Dermaroller? I have old stretch marks. Okay, to boost collagen, I will use vitamin C. I know we do not have in stock right now, but it's coming back maybe in a month. Vitamin C cream. This one is great for stretch marks. Vitamin C products, make sure that it doesn't have any chemicals or toxins. How often should I use the body Dermaroller? Table, it's right here. How often, which size to use, and you can find it on my website in every single corner, or it is pinned on my Instagram. How many times can one roller be used? Do the needles get dull? Great question. Yes, needles get duller. I recommend to replace every Dermaroller at least minimum every 10 uses. You know why? Because yes, she's smart, she knows. Because Dermaroller needle gets duller with every single use. I have brown skin and I'm prone to hyperpigmentation. Can I Dermaroll? Absolutely. Is it necessary to wipe off gin amber, disinfectant, foam? It is all absorbed by the skin. Depends on you. You can wipe it off if you feel sticky. I had a few people complaining that they feel sticky. You can wipe it off or you can have it. It's really depends on you. Can we use Dermaroller with vitamin C during pregnancy and during lactation? Absolutely, but only if you use mine. The other vitamin C creams, I do not know. This is safe, non-toxic, and sodium ascorbyl phosphate is very amazing and bioavailable form where yes, you can use it. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Can we Dermaroll lips so we can have bigger, fuller lips? Absolutely. I have video on that. I can link down below, and yes, you can Dermaroll lips to make it fuller, nicer, plumper, more beautiful, more youthful. What of Dermaroller to use on my partner to help grow patchy beard? Great question. I will start, men usually have thicker skin. I will start with 0.75, and then after 10 or 20 uses I will go to 1 millimeter and continue for a year. It takes longer with the beard growth and with the male hair. I've been doing for my Dermaroller for my boyfriend for like right now I believe 4 or 5 months, and we starting to see results only now, but very little results. So be patient with guys, with your man, because it takes a little bit longer with guys, you know, like kind of in relationships. We need to be patient with the man. How to use a Omnilux LED face mask with Dermarolling. So any LED light you can actually use before or after if it's not touching your skin after. I do not recommend to use anything that touches your skin after. So the best way to use LED light, it is before. Can I use scalp oil after Dermaroll for better absorption and then shampoo after 1 to 3 hours? If that works for you, okay, but I recommend personally to wash your hair, to apply rosemary, any kind of product we're going to be launching, I think in June or July, rosemary hair growth, not oil, is a serum, so that you do not need to wash it off after that. You don't want to wash your hair in 1 or 2 hours after microneedling because your scalp is going to be very irritated. And I do not know what kind of products are in shampoo because most of the shampoos don't have great products. You want to really make sure that your shampoo is clean, and it's kind of will be irritated, especially if you're using like 0.75 or 1 millimeter. So I will say wash it, use Dermaroller, and get something with rosemary, some serum, some spray without oils. I'm not a fan to use oils after microneedling. Okay, your skin's supposed to get dry after rolling. Mine always gets flaky. Love this question because I have absolutely the same issue. And guys, to have a dry skin after microneedling, I have done an entire YouTube video. I can pop here somewhere in the corner or down below. Basically, here is the thing. When you have very dry skin, and I noticed, I read this in the microneedling book. What the heck? I don't even know how to apply like lip gloss, guys. This is ridiculous. This is like crazy. So basically, you want to shorten your microneedling session. You want to make sure your skin, it's kind of adapted. So start with the smallest needle size. Start rolling just a few minutes, and then increase size, increase the session length, and make sure you hydrate like maniac after that. Hydrate your skin in the morning, at lunch, at night. When you use Dermaroller on the skin, it evaporates, it dehydrates your skin. So if you already have a dry skin, that's really, really bad. I get dehydration of my skin after Dermaroller when I kind of forget. I did one YouTube video where I was kind of Dermarolling like, and talking, and then I realized I've been Dermarolling just a mouth area for 10 minutes. Of course, next 3 days after that, I had like peeling going on. Peeling, like a laser surfacing happening, and it was a little bit uncomfortable. Like it wasn't looking really good, you know. So basically what I do since then, I basically don't dermaroll for that long. Few minutes is definitely enough, and make sure you're starting with the smallest needle possible. Is it there a minimum age you need to be and start dermarolling? No. Best protocol for phase 0.5 once a week. Focus on anti-aging and keeping skin healthy. 0.5 once a week, minimum 20 weeks in a row, and then you can slow down and use peptide serum. Where's my peptide? I don't have it with me. I'm freaking mad right now. Peptide serum, and then next day you can use retinol. Best protocol for male hair loss, 0.5 weekly or 0.75 every few weeks. For male hair loss, 0.75 every few weeks sounds better. What's the biggest size to use on the neck? I have taken your steps, started small. Yes. On the neck, you can start if you have sensitive skin with 0.5, but I will start with 0.5. And then you can actually increase to 75, but slowly. Don't go too crazy. Guys, the most important thing in microneedling is start slow. Don't be obsessed with getting results tomorrow, now, today. Be patient. I swear to God, be patient. My client here, after 2 years of using Dermaroller for her acne scars, look at this. She was patient. Just be patient. If you have these kind of acne scars and you're like, Jen, I used Dermaroller for 5 times and I do not see results. And then last question, how much pressure should be applied? Pressure should be like when you shave. You know, I haven't shaved my hands, sorry. So when you will shave, you know, imagine how you shave your down there, like kind of not pressing too much, but it's not also too light, like shaving pressure. I hope this video was helpful to you, whatever you need, what kind of benefits and results you want to achieve. If you have any more questions, leave me down below in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you have notifications on, so this bell is on. I love you so much, guys, and send you a lot of beautiful energy to your house.